Hey guys, this is Scrappy K Sue. Okay, some of you who are keeping up with this giveaway that I'm doing, it's a Destash giveaway. I don't know if anybody's keeping up with it, but I'm going to come to the end of it now because it's been going on for too long. I have tried to extend it as much as I can for whoever was interested in it to go to do the rules, but I guess nobody wanted to do a video promoting the giveaway. So I changed the rules to where if you bought something, you didn't have to do the video or anything, but if you bought something, you would be put into the giveaway. However, I changed the prize from $50. Well, the prize is you get your money back, basically, that you spent, up to $50. Well, now it's going to be up to $25 since since I'm having to change the rules a little bit. But I'm going to also send a little goodie thing, and I'm going to have more than one winner because I've got a lot of stuff I wanted to give out. I never did a video telling anybody what I was giving out. I don't know if that had anything to do with the lack of participation, other than you didn't see anything you were interested in, or you didn't have the money to purchase anything now, or it's been so long you forgot what was there, which that could be, the latter one could be what it was, because it has been going on a while. I've had a lot of things come up and it just kept getting pushed back. So this is going to be the end of it because I want to be fair and give out the prizes instead of it lingering. But I wanted to go over with you guys what is left, or what I still have, that is still available for purchase in case you wanted anything. So after today, after I've gone through just sort of a summary of what's left, I'll put the links down below also, so you can just click on them to go see the video of that particular thing that's left. After today, I will give it one more week. Well, no, let's see, what's today? Thursday. On Tuesday or Wednesday of next week, I will do the drawing. I have a list of everybody that's been buying, so I will do the drawing then. I'm still going to have things that I need to destash, so I will be doing more destashes, but they will not be included in the giveaway. So first of all, I do have this. Excuse me, I'm sorry. The first thing I have is this, hang on, I can't get it. I'm calling it the wedding themed box, I guess. I guess I already taped it. I didn't realize I did that, but what happened to it? Oh, there it goes. I was like, I couldn't get it open. It has stamps and things that are related to weddings. I'm just going to kind of show you real quick. I also put some little clips in there. I got paper. This is actually a wedding and nursery. This is for, obviously it's pink, so it'd be a girl. And then I put this mat stack in there. It's an adhesive mat stack. So these are good for like backgrounds and things, but they're adhesive. So you can die cut from these, and you'll already have, the sticker on the back of it, or whatever. So That's a good stack to have. So I've got the wedding one, which is $20 shipped. I have this miscellaneous. This is a miscellaneous stamp set or stamp bundle. This one is $20 shipped. It's got saturated canary, crafter's companion, a teacher one. There's a tag one, there's a background, and then there's a lawn fawn. So those are $20 shipped. Then, and I'm surprised I still have this one. This package right here is chock full of Christmas stuff. It's got stamps and stickers, and I think there's a couple of dies in here. There's ribbon, washi tape, some embellishments like these little snowflakes. So it's all Christmas related. This package is $35 shipped, but it is like really thick and full. And if I can find any more Christmas stuff, I'll throw it in there, because there's like maybe a little air pocket right there. You know, put as much in there as I can. So $35 shipped on that. Again, I'll have these links down below so you can click on them easily and get to it. This package right here, I don't have my sticker on it, fell off, but I'll find it. Oh no, here it is, right here. Letters. These are stickers and some letters. This is going to be $12 shipped. Some of these are used already. Some of them are brand new. Can't get it in the camera here. But I'll link the video so you can see it better. Again, that was $12 shipped. I also have a box here that I have referenced before. I'm not sure I put it in this Destash giveaway little thing, but I'm going to add it in here. This is it's sort of a miscellaneous craft, vintage thing. I really wasn't sure what to ask for it, but again, this box is a medium flat rate, so that's at least 14 something. I'll just ask $25 shipped, but let me just, if I can find the video to this, I will link it below, but I'll just go through a couple of things here. These are this is really vintage, some vintage spools. There's these little thing that you measure in there. I think you've seen that before. I think you can still get them in this box. It's a vintage box of, it says brass pins on it, but it's not brass pins. I've got a rubber band around it because I didn't want the stuff to fall out of it. Now if I can get it out, there we go. It has just a miscellaneous, a bunch of pins and whatnots in there. So let me put that back on because I really do not want these to fall out. Alright, and then it has some elastics, a bunch of elastics in here, some more thread. There's a snap tape. It says snap tape. I don't know if anybody knows what that is or how to use it. I have a little applique in here. I have, with this ribbon, I have some more. This is paper ribbon, but it's got, it has metal, you know what I mean. to make it turn or you know, go one way, whatever you call that stuff that's in those. Okay. Then I have in here some of this, you'll see it in the video, but here's a little look-see. I don't know what that, there we go. Trying to get that glare off of here. It looks like little threads in there, but it's something else. I can't explain what it is. And then it's got some little, these are little things that somebody had started on. They look vintage to me. And they, this pillow that's in here, it looks like it got finished, but you may want to do something else to it. This pillow here is vintage. It's, the string is broken off one side of it. I don't know if you can, okay. And you can fix that. It's got some little stains. I didn't want to wash it or anything. I thought that gave it some character because it's kind of old. And then here's like a little bird or something that's already sewed and stuffed. And then the wing is separate. I don't know if you can tell about that. But anyway, I'll put the, again, I'll put the link down so you can see all this stuff a little bit better. Oh, and it has this little thing in it too. So I'm putting those in, all this stuff in. I put this in there, and I'm not sure if I put these in on that first video, but I'm sticking them in there. This is Excelsior. I guess that's what this is called. Let's see. Let me get this back in here because I don't want it to get lost on my little table here. Okay. And then that's kind of it, but some other ones that I know that I have, that they're all like separate prices for each one. I will link the videos down below to everything that is still available. It may have a bunch of stuff in the video, and a few of them may be sold, but when you click on the link to go to that video, in the description for that video, it will show which ones I've already sold. So just look below for the videos if y'all are still interested. Let me know on the video itself, not this video, but on the video that's the item that's being sold from. Make your comment there as to if you want it or not, and just let me know. I think that's all I wanted to say on this one. Just let me know if you have any questions. I want to get this stuff out of here, so I may lower the price on some of them if I can't sell them, just to get rid of them. And after this goings on with this, anything that's not sold, I'm going to be putting on other sites and selling them that way. So just let me know if you have any questions, and we can talk to you guys later. Thanks. Bye.